China is back in Africa, quietly, strategically, and with a completely different playbook. After slowing down investments for nearly 3 years, Beijing is now moving billions again, but not in the way you think. This is the untold plan behind China's return, and why 2025 might become the biggest economic shift in Africa in a decade. For years, China was Africa's single biggest lender: roads, rails, ports, dams. Then suddenly, between 2020 and 2023, the money slowed. Why? China was dealing with internal debt pressure. There was a global recession. The Belt and Road was being restructured. Africa faced repayment issues. Many analysts said, China is done with Africa. But they were wrong. In 2024 and 2025, China started returning, but this time with a brand new strategy: less loans, more partnerships. Instead of giving massive loans, China is taking equity stakes in infrastructure and energy. Shift from construction to tech and manufacturing. Factories, EVs, batteries, solar manufacturing, not just roads. Focus on critical minerals. Cobalt, lithium, nickel. China wants to secure the stuff needed for global EV dominance. Private Chinese companies are leading the charge, not just government-to-government deals anymore. Nigeria is seeing EV assembly talks, solar manufacturing deals, and smart city discussions. In Kenya, there's revival of expressway investments and AI partnerships. South Africa is getting electric vehicle and battery storage investments. Zambia and the DRC are focusing on lithium and cobalt refining. Ethiopia sees special industrial zones and factories emerging. China isn't just investing in Africa, it is positioning Africa into its global manufacturing and energy dominance strategy. Why is China coming back now? The US is increasing its presence, building alliances and security partnerships. America's moves make China eager not to lose ground. Africa's population explosion means it will have the world's largest workforce by 2035. China wants to access that workforce early. The minerals needed for the EV revolution are in Africa. Cobalt, lithium, and copper are essential for global green tech. China's slowdown at home means it needs external growth markets, and Africa is perfect. Africa is stabilizing with more infrastructure and digital economy growth. China sees a chance to rebuild influence, with a smarter, more calculated approach. China returning is not a win for Africa without risks. There are potential debt traps if governments aren't careful. Foreign dominance in critical minerals could overshadow local industries. China's influence might disrupt politics in fragile countries. Africa must negotiate stronger, smarter deals this time. The impact of this shift means jobs boom in EV assembly, minerals, manufacturing, and tech. New business opportunities arise in logistics, solar, repairs, and data software. Startups supplying Chinese factories will thrive. Costs of goods like phones, EVs, and solar products might lower. Infrastructure improvements in ports, energy, roads, and rail will enhance economic prospects. Africa is entering a new era of foreign investment, and China wants to lead it. China's comeback has just begun, but this time, the moves are more strategic, more subtle, and more powerful. Do you think China's return is good for Africa, or a risk? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Obi Expeditions Media, bringing you the stories shaping Africa's future.